That Dennis Chung saga, it show me again and confirm again how tribal Jamaican politics is. Remember now, you know, the FID is the body that the investigation into the Prime Minister's accusations of illicit enrichment by the Integrity Commission. The FID is the body to which the investigations have been referred, you know. That remember the investigations don't done, you know. The Integrity Commission said we are hand over the investigations and the case to the FID for further probing. No. I mean, nobody are going to deny. Say Dennis Chung and the Prime Minister. How am I put it? Well, see them there. We have to put it down here. And anybody who listen to Mr. Chung as a public commentator, if you have an ounce of objectivity about you, if you have an ounce of balance in your mind, if you respect your country more than you respect your party, then good God Almighty, man. With all of the shenanigans with the Integrity Commission and the Prime Minister, and the investigations have been referred to the FID, and see Mr. Chung and the Prime Minister there. That is the man we are going to head the body now. We are going to complete the investigation into the Prime Minister's financial affairs. And people say something about that. And a politics and bad mind. Add to it now the thing about the qualification of Mr. Chung. Me have never heard about anything like this before. An ad was put out in the newspaper for the post that Mr. Chung eventually get. But in the qualification requirements is a part of it about experience in law enforcement. The powers that be, them cut out that out of the requirement, obviously, so that Mr. Chung can get the job. And when well-thinking Jamaicans, including the opposition, you know, because the opposition are going to jump on it, you know, people. Them are politicians, what you expect them to say. But well-thinking, objective Jamaicans now, and look on that man, say, hold on, man, but that don't look right, man. Mr. Chung in a public pronouncements already prejudice imposition on the Integrity Commission as it relates to the Prime Minister. That can't look good, people. And no politics Maverick attack. The Maverick are no politician. The Maverick is a